Especially I was like looking older, especially my girlfriend and other friends, they were like making jokes on me. My girlfriend, she was like, well, I'm serious, Jaime, you're getting bald. I mean, and you look like older. The surgery was like easy, it was fast. They was doing the surgery, I was like watching TV. He saw me with my new hair, so he was like, damn man, you look younger, you look better now, you know. This is the only loan payment that I do monthly with a smile on my face. This is the best investment that I do.